With technology advancing, making information much more accessible to people, investing has never been so easy. Back in the day, the process of investing was way more complicated than it is today, having to phone call a broker to buy physical shares of a company. Information was also limited and inaccessible to everyday people, which allowed Wall Street to make investing more exclusive to the rich, which made it harder for previous generations who were considered poor to invest. Nowadays, information is much more accessible, and it's easier for people to understand investing. The process of investing is also simplified with the creation of online brokerages, which can be accessed through desktop and applications. However, with many options out there, picking the best investing app that's right for you can be tricky. Today we've shortlisted some of the best investing apps from the UK that are right for Amy, who you'll meet in a second, to provide you with a brief overview of each app. As these are short overviews, we do strongly encourage you to research into these apps further before deciding to invest, so that you're investing in the best app that's right for you. This is Amy, and she's looking for the best investing app to use in the UK. She's ideally looking for an app that enables her to invest within a stocks and shares ISA. An ISA stands for Individual Savings Account, which enables investors to deposit up to £20,000 into an ISA. The brilliance of an ISA is that it's tax advantaged, so there's no income tax or capital gains tax, which means Amy gets to keep all of the compound interest from her investments and savings. The three apps that contain a stocks and shares ISA that we'll be comparing today are Invest Engine, Trading 212 and Free Trade. The first area we'll be looking at is the ISA fee. Invest Engine and Trading 212 don't charge a fee for their ISAs, whereas Free Trade charges investors $4.99 a month. However, Free Trade's general investments accounts are free of charge. Next, we'll be looking at the commission charge, which means how much the broker will charge you for the service of buying and selling shares. Invest Engine, Trading 212 and Free Trade all provide zero commission charges for using their platform. The next area is the FX charge, which means the cost of converting your money from one currency to another, enabling you to buy foreign shares. For example, you'll have to convert your British pounds to dollars to be able to buy Amazon stock, because it's listed on the US stock market where they trade in dollars. Invest Engine has free conversion rates, while Trading 212 has a 0.15% conversion rate, and Free Trade has a 0.45% conversion rate. These are all really low conversion rates when compared to other competitors, which is really good. Deposit and withdrawal fees are the cost of putting money in and taking out of the platform. All platforms charge free deposits and withdrawals. Now we've covered the costs, let's take a look at the platform a little bit more. The next area we'll be comparing is the amount of stocks that each platform provides. Invest Engine provides over 150 ETFs and doesn't provide individual stocks. However, Trading 212 provides investors with over 10,000 global stocks and ETFs. Free Trade offers over 6,000 global stocks and ETFs. Next, let's take a look at whether the platforms are FCA regulated. FCA stands for Financial Conduct Authority, which is the UK financial regulator. They're responsible for ensuring that financial markets are fair, honest and effective, so that investors get a fair deal and are protected. Invest Engine, Trading 212 and Free Trade are all FCA regulated, which is great news for investors. Finally, we'll compare each platform's age. The Invest Engine app has been around in the UK for 3 years. The Trading 212 app has been around for 6 years in the UK. It's more important to note that Trading 212 had to pause new customers from joining for 19 months after the platform struggled to handle such a high demand of new investors early last year. They've since fixed the issue and reopened the platform to new customers in August 2022. And lastly, Free Trade has been around for 4 years in the UK. After comparing the three platforms that all provide a stocks and shares ISA, Amy is pleased to visualize all her options. She's narrowed her choices down to Trading 212 and Free Trade, as she'd like the option of investing in individual stocks, which Invest Engine can't offer her. Amy has also decided to conduct further research to choose which platform will be better for her. She likes the cheaper costs of Trading 212, but likes that Free Trade offers the option of investing in a SIP. SIP stands for Self-Invested Personal Pension. This option would be beneficial for an investor like Amy because she's self-employed, which means that she'll be able to invest towards retirement. Amy is super happy with that option, and she decides to hit the like button. These platforms have been shortlisted to Amy's needs, but it's important to introduce you to other platforms that haven't been included in this video. Platforms that you, as a new investor, should consider and research more into before beginning your investment journey. Other platforms in the UK such as Vanguard, Hargreaves Lansdown, eToro, Interactive Investor and IG are a few that you should consider. You should invest in the platform that's best for you, and that can only be done by researching every platform that matches the criteria you're after as an investor. Once you find the platform, you can begin investing. You can't invest if you don't have any spare money at the end of every month, but you might when you click on this next video so that you can learn how to budget.